What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm taking care of a few pets for some friends while they go on a weekend trip. So let's go see what we got. First, we're going to feed the 2 goats and 2 cats. The cats get 1 scoop, and then the goats get 1 scoop of this and 1 scoop of this mixed up. And that's Karma. There you go, baby. And then there's Jinx right out there. He's eating next to the chicken, or the rooster. There's one of the cats. I believe she's the one that's pregnant. The food and water dishes for the dogs are kept full constantly. So for the record, that's 4 dogs, 2 goats, 2 cats, and a chicken. Plus one of the cats is pregnant. This is Xena. She's the youngest at around a year old, the craziest and most hyper of the bunch, all in good fun. She's a sweet girl. And here's Dank, next oldest at around 3 years old, the only male and very muscular, looks scarier than he is. He's kind of the baby of the bunch. This is Sage, second oldest at around 5 years old, very depressive when her human is not present. She has good days and bad days, but still a very sweet girl. And this is Hazel. She's the oldest at around 6 or 7 years old, and mother to Dank. Also best friends with Sage. She has anxiety when her human is not around due to separation and abandonment issues at a very early age prior to her adoption. She loves constant attention. These pups are all sweet. I enjoyed interacting with the dogs, the goats, and even the cats. I was happy to watch them for a few days, but now it's time to return back to the box. Thanks for watching and for all the love and support. Like, share, subscribe. See you next time. going for a car ride.